Hi, this is Kerry Artek with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Tuesday, July 9th, 2024. But before we check out the charts, I just want to ask you to please click like, share, subscribe, and check out wickedstocks.com, where we offer a full suite of both daily and weekly analytical videos, just like the daily Tesla and daily NVIDIA reports, daily analysis in the SPY, daily analysis in the Triple Q, weekly analysis in the S&P 500 index, the NASDAQ 100 index, and Apple stock, as well as 2 individual stock picks a week that you never see on YouTube that cater to the 3 to 5 week swing trader out to the 3 to 5 month near-term investor, always looking for 20% moves or more on those underlying stocks. And you get to see all of this for free. We offer a 5-day free trial up front. So check out wickedstocks.com. Let's take a look at the charts. This is a weekly bar chart. It was not even a week ago that we had this incredible rally off the deliveries report, just about a week ago, actually. I can't remember if it was Tuesday or Wednesday of last week, but the fact that we also closed the week itself above the 207.92 formation, the one-year channel top, did signal 327.03 as a 3 to 5 month objective. And given the fact that we also closed the week above this rising channel top, that this week is at 239.74, this 327.03 objective is now in reach over the next 2 or 3 months, potentially by the end of August, depending on volatility, which is not, it has not contracted a great deal. And so that possibility is still there. In any event, let's just call it a 3 to 5 month objective at 327.03 or sooner. And that sooner probably will come above 239.74. Now, that same formation that we see at 239.74 on the weekly chart is on the daily chart today at 238.11. And you can see on the right side, that is our weekly support, backed up by a long-term 5/8 Fibonacci from the July high of last year to the more recent April low. This zone, 237.98 to 238.11, able to contain weekly selling pressures, above which it really is the low 280s. Where is it that I'm expecting over the next, this could be by the end of next week. This could be 2 to 3, 3 to 5 weeks. It's obviously impossible to determine that, but it is the high settlement price on the weekly chart following that January 23 low. And we almost retraced back to it several months later and fell away. So I see 281.38 as really, let's just call it a 2 to 3 week objective above this 239.74 channel top, which is once again 238.11 on the daily chart. In the immediate vicinity, we've got 252.71, which we're still calling a level that can contain daily activity. Now, we closed just above it on Monday, and if we open, even if it's just above it, I do see the 265.13 level in reach today. 265.13 is this December pullback high, and then we fell away from it significantly, obviously. That was last December. That was a key reversal high as well. In fact, the low of that high is 252.71. So, both that day in December of last year contains two important points. 252.71 opening above it, 265.13 in reach, where we can place a daily high. And once again, just a reminder that all the minor points are always carefully chosen. They all have some meaning. If you've already noticed, if you're an aggressive day trader, you know that you can trade those minor points as well if you're looking to scalp several point moves throughout the day. But opening above 252.71, 265.13 in reach, where we can place a daily high. And if we close today above 265.13, we can, by the end of the week, reach this 281.38 level. And we just don't have enough room on this page to squeeze that in there, but we will be making room for it, dropping these levels lower, adding 281.38 as a 3-star resistance. Bear in mind, 327.03 remains a 3 to 5 month objective. And if over the next few weeks we were to close above 281.38, I see that as kind of a 3 to 5 week target at 327.03. This is where we just might see 327.03 by the end of August. If we can, I'll say by the end of July, over the next couple of weeks, get up and over 281.38 on a weekly basis. So it is a bit stair-step. We're pointing out key levels, but we do remain bullish through August, above 239.74, expecting 327.03. Now, once again, that 239.74 formation is on the daily chart at 238.11, and we've got a 5H at 237.98. So back to the downside now. If we happen to open below 252.71, 244.57 in reach, nothing more than Monday's low. And because it is the pullback high so far, it does have soft pivot point qualities. Holding above 244.57 will keep the 252.71 level in close reach throughout the day. And if we break or perhaps open below 244.57, you can anticipate 238.11 today. And that is the beginning of a narrow range down to 237.98 that can absorb weekly selling pressures. A good low here for the week. If you're given the opportunity to buy the upper 230s, and if you're, like a day trader, a 1 to 2 day swing trader, you can hold out for 252.71. If you're a 3 to 5 day swing trader, you can hold out for 265.13. If you're a 2 to 3 week swing trader, as I've already said, you can hold out for 281.38. And if you're kind of a 2 to 3 month position player, if you buy the upper 230s, within 2 to 3 months, as I've been saying, you could see 327.03. Now, if we close today below 238.11, and we can add 237.98 in the mix. If we close today below 237.98, I think we've got a good July high. We should, over the next couple of weeks, fall into the 208.11 area. That is on the daily chart, what we find on the weekly chart at 207.92. So it becomes a 1 to 2 week target, 207.92. If we close today below 238.11, so if you got long recently, whatever price point that may be, maybe it was the settlement last Wednesday, above the 238.11 formation. And if you're still long, and if we close back below 230.11 or even break it on an intraday basis, that should be enough for you to exit that long position, stop out of it. You could, 1 to 2 week swing traders, then play the short side down to 208.11. Where profits can be taken and long entry made for not only day traders, 3 to 5 day swing traders, 3 to 5 week swing traders, and 3 to 5 month near-term investors, because holding above that 207.92 formation will maintain a 3 to 5 month objective at 327.03. So if we fall back into this area over the next few weeks, and once again, it's not indicated unless we close today, for instance, below 237.98. But if we fall into this zone, that could be an opportunity for you to reach for instance, 330 strike out of the money calls that don't expire. I would go probably a year out on that expiration. It's a 3 to 5 month play now, but if we fall to 207.92 over the next couple of weeks, certainly stretches out to more like 5 months or more. Anything else to say? I don't think so. I think I've covered it all. I'm going to leave it at that. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. We offer 2 individual stock picks every week, catering to the 3 to 5 week out to the 3 to 5 month swing traders, and daily Triple Q, daily SPY analysis. Check it out. You get 5 days free up front. I'll be back tomorrow with, that would be Wednesday's Tesla, right? Yes, Wednesday's Tesla. You have a great day.